Mingalaba, I am Minyan King, proudly representing Yangon North in the Miss Grand Myanmar competition. Born and raised in the vibrant heart of Yangon, growing up in this vibrant community has shaped me into a woman of strength, compassion, and determination. I believe true beauty comes from confidence, kindness, and the courage to stand for what is right. Through this journey, I am not only representing Yangon North, but also the spirit of Myanmar women, strong, compassionate, and unstoppable. I am Minyan King, your Miss Grand Yangon North, and I'm ready to make a difference. Thank you.